everyone. This is just a quick video that I wanted to do for you lot. And it's the March VIP box from SparkleSuppliesUK. And I like to show you everything that we've got in these every month. I missed last month's box, so I couldn't show you. This month we've got quite a few things in here. Excuse me, so we'll go from the top. It's got sugar plum glitter, and this one comes in a little pot as well, which is really nice. I like them when they're in pots. It's really nice. It's like a fairy pink. I don't know if it's showing up pink or whether it's showing up white. Hang on. Is that better? I don't know what's better. I'm really sorry if the other colour was better. But yeah, it's like a really pale pink. Like iridescent-y glitter. That's really nice. Like I say, all these products are not currently available to purchase, but they will be available for general release from the 7th of the 5th. So that's nice. What we got next? Aura. Which is this beauty here. Oh, look at that. I'm going to check it out and go. I'm just not going to see it properly because of the reflection. See if I can show you like that. Is that showing up? Who knows? But you can kind of get the gist of what that is. It's like a lilac-y purple with pink iridescent and black. It's really nice, isn't it? I think it's just a complete hex multi-mix. So that's Aura. And then next we've got Carnival Queen. Oh, I love this one. Absolutely love this one. Look at that. Wow. Isn't that stunning? I think I'm going to swatch these for you. And I'll just pop it on the video with a bit of music over. But yeah, Carnival Queen. It's beautiful, isn't it? That? It's got like that raspberry reddish metallic green gold, but it's almost like a yellow. There's red in there as well. That's a true carnival colour. I'm really sorry, I have to keep clearing my throat. It's better. It's not, but yeah. I don't know how you say that. Orion gems, I think. And they're like silver. Can you see them? Really nice. Silver gems. They're beautiful. And you get loads in there as well. They're all one size. They're really shiny. They look really shiny. They're lovely. And what else have we got? We've got Gold Digger, which is $1.99. Gold Digger dots. So they're black, white and holographic gold dot mix. Really nice. Then we've got Majestic Mylar. Ooh, £2.49 this will be. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's like a Mylar mix. Oh shit. There we go. Now you can see it everywhere. Yeah, it's like a Mylar mix. It's got like the holographic glitter, but then it's just jam packed with Mylar flakes. It's really nice, that is. And then last but not least, we've got Vega Foil. So let's just get that out and have a look what we got. Probably could have seen what it looked like anyway. I'm going to show you anyway. I'm going to copy Shell's streak and put it on the paper. So it's like a beautiful holographic silver foil. Stars all over it. I really like that. I'm going to have to use that, I think. It's beautiful. I really like that. Right, so that's everything that's in here. Now I'm just going to pop some music over and quickly swatch these glitters for you so you can see them on a swatch stick. I'll just say now, thank you for watching. And please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. You can ring the notification bell and you won't miss any future uploads, which will be a giveaway again soon, guys. So yeah, anyway, I'll get on with this and I'll see you soon. As I was just going to swatch them, I've just realised I've got 3 more as well. I've got Raven, Eden and Dusky Rose. So I'll swatch them for you as well.